thanks to Pierre and Vasily, we were able to produce something very unique that takes place in the middle of the restaurant.
I'm very happy to mention and leave this message to ECE, who prepare and build this beautiful project just behind me, all this kitchen and all the bar equipments, which are just perfectly suits very well our operation.
We believe that, the station are part of the ingredient. I have more time to talk with the guests, and it's super comfortable to use it and be part of the service. So very happy to work with you guys, and salute.
My only hope, very seriously, is that this will be the beginning of a long-term partnership with Vasily, Pierre, and the rest of the team.